Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. My project today is on my F32 and we're going to be changing the door sills. This is really easy, only takes a couple of tools and you can do it on pretty much any car. Alright, this is a really simple DIY that you can do with easy tools. Anything I use will be linked in the description below along with part numbers and the tools that I use as always. Also, I'd love if you click subscribe and the little alarm bell. Make sure you get any notifications of my upcoming videos. Now, with my F32, I didn't get the M Performance model. If I had thought about it a little bit more, I probably would have. But I've retrofitted in pretty much all of the entire M Performance kit, both exterior and interior. And the only thing left is my door sill that says BMW Sport. All you have to do is take your plastic trim tool. You can start with either a medium one or the big one and get underneath the trim. And there's little plastic tabs that hold the trim down. And all you do is just walk it along and pop it up and out. Now, what you're going to get, so you can see, these yellow tabs can come off pretty easily, but they slide in and slide off. So a couple stay, most of them stayed on, one stayed into place right here, and then you're going to use your trim tool to get underneath that and work it out. Just like that. It's that simple. Transfer those to the bottom of the new one. You can see where all the slot, where it fits, just slots right into place, and then just push it down into place, right back into place, and you're all done. I'm also going to take this opportunity to clean underneath my door sill. I've got a little bit of dirt and residue that I'm going to clean all that out. But other than that, it's really that simple. I highly recommend this. You don't realize how much you look at your door sills as you get in and out of your car, or at least I do. And in my case, the M Sport, or the BMW Sport, always kind of bothered me because this isn't the Sport model anymore. So you can change them out for appearance. There's a lot of aftermarket choices out there. You can get the OEM, and especially if you're in the Seattle area, and you can get them at discount at BMW Seattle, or you just want to change them out because they've gotten scuffed up getting in and out of the car. So let me get these transferred. I'll show you putting them back into place, and you're done. All right, so as you can see, I've transitioned all of the posts. They just slide into the slot, and there's kind of a middle position for them to sit in. That way you can know they're all lined up. And then just flip it over. You can line it up with the holes, and you can feel when it just slots right into place because it's just set perfectly. Then just bang it in with your hands and you're done. All right, all done. Just put my tools away. As you can tell, this is a really simple project to do. It's not something that's going to take you very long. Just go ahead and do the other side and you're all done. For me, with the discount you can get, I upgraded to the carbon fiber door sills instead of the standard metal M Performance door sills. And it really finishes up the look for my car. Make sure to give BMW Seattle a call if you want to join their enthusiast club. What I don't know is if you can join it remotely and still get that same discount, but it can't hurt to ask, right? What's the worst I can say other than no? Make sure to tell them the BMW DIY guy sent you. Everything you need is listed in the description below, and I'll see you on my next video.